Many people have asked us the best way to open our SIS 440 caulk cartridge. Here's the simple step-by-step. First, check the depth of the seam by inserting the tip into the seam and use your finger as a mark. Then, with a utility knife, cut the tip at a 45-degree angle. This helps with smooth application. If not enough caulk is coming out, trim a little more to widen the opening. Next, puncture the foil seal inside the nozzle using a caulk poker or similar tool. To easily apply the caulk to the bottom of the seam, use pliers to pinch the nozzle tip until it fits. Keep adjusting until it reaches the bottom. Then, insert the cartridge into the caulk gun. Place the tip of the nozzle at the bottom of the seam, and while pulling the caulking gun towards you, squeeze the trigger to make sure the seam is filled to the top. And that's it. It's that simple. You're ready to use your SIS 440 caulk like a pro. Make sure you check out our complete caulking video on our YouTube channel. And while you're there, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified of our new videos.